let us see how to redeem your investments in mutual funds on the Sharekhan website. First, do switch your profile toggle on the top right to MF, that is mutual funds, in order to view your mutual fund dashboard. Next, head over to the redeem section, which will list mutual fund schemes which you have invested in through Sharekhan. You can choose to redeem from any of the schemes. You only need to select the option of redeeming either all units or partial units. In case of partial units, enter the amount of units you wish to redeem. The units should be more than the minimum amount prompted. Here, the minimum units required are 0.001. So let's enter 0.1 units. Scroll down and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you click on Place Order, the redemption will be processed and the amount will be credited to your registered bank account.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investment needs.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.